Welcome to a new lesson on the first conditional in English. By the end of this lesson, learners will understand the structure, meaning, and usage of the first conditional in English. What's first conditional? The first conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the present or future. It is often used to make promises, warnings, offers, or predictions based on conditions that are likely to happen. Here's the structure. The first conditional has two parts: the if clause, which describes a possible condition or situation that could happen, and the main clause, which is the result. This describes the possible result or consequence that will happen if the condition is met. The structure is if plus present simple, will plus the base verb. If it rains, we will stay at home. If you study, you will pass the exam. Here are some common uses: promises, offers, warnings, and predictions. If you help me, I will return the favor. If you need anything, I will be here to help. If you don't stop talking, I will leave the room. And if it's sunny tomorrow, we will have a picnic. Let's dive a little deeper. The if clause condition, this part uses the present simple tense to express a situation that is real or likely to happen. The condition is something that could happen in the future. If it rains, this is the condition. It's something that could happen. The main clause, the result, right? This is something that will happen in the future if that condition occurs. We will stay at home. So again, this is the result that will happen if it rains. Let's go over some more examples now. If I finish work early, I will go to the gym. If she calls me, I will answer the phone. If we don't hurry, we will miss the bus. If they study hard, they will pass the test. I'm sure you're wondering if there are some variations, and there are. If plus present simple plus the words can, may, might, and the base verb, this can express possibility or permission. For example, if you go to the store, you might find some good deals. Or if plus present simple imperative. This can give instructions or advice. For example, if you see Tom, tell him I need to talk to him. We also have a negative form. The negative form of the first conditional is made by adding the word not after will. If it rains, we won't go to the beach. If you don't study, you won't pass the test. So again, not after will means the word won't, and we're adding that in to form a negative. Also, we have question sentences. To form a question in the first conditional, you invert the subject and will. If it rains, will you bring an umbrella? If I finish early, will you be free? All right, guys, now it is time to practice. We have a fill in the blank exercise up next. You will have 1 minute, so look at the 4 questions and fill them in. Let's go. Great job. Here are those answers. If I am late, they will start without me. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If we go to the park, we will have a picnic. If she calls, I will answer the phone. All right, here's one more. Fill in those correct verb forms to complete these sentences. Awesome work. So the answers were, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. If I see him, I will tell him about the meeting. If they arrive, we will leave without them. If you eat too much, you will feel sick. And finally, if she works, she will get a promotion. Just to recap, the first conditional is a useful structure to express real, likely, or possible future events. By understanding this structure and usage, you could talk about different situations and their possible outcomes in a clear and precise way. Now it's time to practice using the first conditional in your daily conversations to get comfortable with it. If you need extra practice, head to the comments section. Write some sentences using the first conditional to talk about your plans for the weekend. And answer this question: if you study hard, what will happen? Great job, guys. Thank you so much for coming to class today, and I will see you next time. Bye.